Should you put investment property in an LLC? This is the number one question I get from real estate investors. Hi, this is Pamela Mosqueret. I'm an estate planning attorney and asset protection attorney in Colorado. My law firm, Lawmother, helps people statewide. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why you should consider it, when you should do it, and how you should do it. So let's start with the why. The reason for putting investment property in an LLC is you are creating liability protection. You are separating your personal assets from your business assets. When should you consider doing this? Well, if it's commercial property, you should set up the LLC prior to closing. If it's residential property, you should set it up after closing. Typically, a lender is not going to let you close a residential loan, like the typical conventional loan, in an LLC. You're going to want to close it in your name and transfer it over. Which brings up a very important point. Some lenders, you making this transfer could trigger the due on sale clause. What does that mean? They can call the loan. They can make you pay it all up front. Now, in practicality, that isn't often done, so you should really work with your lender and really understand what circumstances would make them do that. Now, the how. Once you set up your LLC and you transfer title to your LLC, it's very important that you assign the ownership interest of your LLC to your living trust. Why is this important? Well, if you don't do this, your asset, your rental property, your investment property will go through probate when you pass away, which is going to be very costly for your loved ones. The second thing you're going to want to make sure you do is maintain your corporate formalities. You're going to want to make sure you do those meeting minutes, that you don't commingle assets, that you check off the boxes of really treating this as a business. Otherwise, they could argue to pierce the corporate veil. You're also going to want to notify your insurance provider and make sure that your LLC is added as an additional insured and that your trust is added as an additional insured so that you aren't at risk of a denial of a coverage claim. Usually you're going to want to set up the LLC in the state that you own the property. And if you want to take advantage of the state laws of Wyoming or Nevada that have better privacy or charging order protection, you're going to want to set up the holding company in advance and make sure the holding company is the owner in the background.